All right, now you have Systeme IO and everything is running smoothly. And occasionally we'll have people saying that, this thing is slow, or this thing is not working, this thing is like this, is like this. Now, for the question that has to do with the website being slow as a beginner, this is what I would tell you. Usually the platform is very, very fast, right? So, but for some reason, I get to see beginners always say, something is not working. Now, this is it. If you are just using this kind of platform for the first time, obviously, the internet that you're subscribing or network you are using probably is the first thing that you need to check, right? So first thing, if you notice that it's slow, check your internet connection, because the website is usually very, very fast. Now, after checking your internet connection, you discover that it's still slow while you're creating your website, or you are done creating a website, or you're trying to access the platform and it's slow. After checking your internet connection is very fast, there's no problem. The next thing you need to do is to refresh the page, right? Because we have what we call cache, right? Sometimes if the cache and the cookies are not well established, they get to have issues. The moment Systeme IO platform is able to cache on your browser, right? So it will begin to load very, very fast. So you need to refresh it like 1 or 2 times, then you will see that it's going to work very, very well. Now, if you have step number 1, step number 2 done, step number 3, you are still having issues, then probably at this point, Systeme IO could be having a network issue at the point. So what you need to do is to ask other people who are using the platform, right? Ask and find out, is your own slow? Is it slow? Ask me, ask other people in the community, so that you can get to know if everyone is experiencing the same thing at the same time. If we are all experiencing it, obviously it will be Systeme IO problem. And usually when they have that kind of stuff, in no time it's fixed. Sometimes you don't even get to know that they have a downtime, because actually this website, they do have downtime sometimes. So the moment you notice that they have a downtime or anything like that, all you need to do at this point is to contact support and find out, are you having a downtime? This is the issue I'm having, and they can let you know if there is a downtime or not, and they can even recommend to you what to do. So that is how to go about issues like this when you're using Systeme.io. Because I have somebody who was trying to create a landing page and she wanted to run traffic to it, and she was so angry that this thing is slow, this thing is this, I want to run traffic, I want to do this, I want to do that, not knowing that she was having issues from her own end. So if you're having issues like this, just go through these troubleshooting steps and troubleshoot it before you call it a cancel on the platform, or before you give up on whatever thing you're trying to do because of the network is bad or there is a downtime. All right, guys, it's time to go grow your business, put it online, create a landing page, do all the good stuff, and see you in the next video.